Today, I'm going to show you an AI tool that allows you to create high quality PowerPoint presentations in just mere minutes. So the one we're creating right now that you can see in the background is just live, real time, and it is generating slides. It's going to generate roughly 20 slides about the importance of learning AI. And every single slide it generates, we can modify, we can add stuff to it, we can adjust transitions, and we can download this and make it work with PowerPoint. This tool I'm going to show you in this video is phenomenal if you want to take a boring task and make it easy. So if you have to use PowerPoint slides, this tool is for you. If you use PDFs, this tool is for you. So I'm going to show you some absolutely killer features of this, but you can see as we go through, it just generated this on the fly, and we got all 18 slides in less than 30 seconds, which is absolutely wild. And learning AI in today's world is extremely important, so if you want to keep up to date with the latest and greatest AI, don't forget to subscribe right here as I cover AI on a daily basis. As always, I have a link in the description below, but today's tool is called Work PPT, and we can hit sign up, and we're going to log in with Google, and once you log in, you're going to get a user interface that is pretty simple and clean that looks like this. So on the side here, you can see all the different options we have, like AI slides, chats, PDFs. We're going to go through a bunch of these features. This website is phenomenal. The best way to describe it, it makes like boring tasks really easy to do. So let's say we want to make a presentation. We can click this here and we can decide, hey, do we want 1 to 10 slides, 11 to 20, 21 to 33? So let's just say 11 to 20 slides, and then we can put in whatever we want. So we're going to type in our prompt here, how MCP servers work. Here we can upload like supported files if we want to add text files or images or whatever we need. We can hit submit, and it is going to generate some things for us. So like exploring the architecture, key protocols and standards, and it's just coming up with different thoughts. We can hit generate presentation. Instantly, we are going to be given a list of presentation templates. So we're on the all tab right now, and we can scroll down. There is a lot to pick from. We can do like multi-purpose, business related, marketing, technology, so on and so forth. You can see this list actually scrolls left and right because there's that many categories. And then within each category, there is a ton of different templates to pick from. So if we wanted something minimalistic, we can go there, and you can see we just kind of scroll down forever. So let's just kind of go back. Let's go to the technology category because that's what we're working with. Let's just find something we like, and like I said, there's so many. Let's go with this colorful theme AI PowerPoint slide. We're going to hit the plus button, and what's going to happen is it is going to generate the entire slide presentation for us, and you can actually see it happening in real time behind me or on the screen or whatever. It is phenomenal. Look at it go. And it is based off our topic about MCP servers. So we can see about the efficiency, and we're generating everything we need to know. But this gets a lot better because these slides that it's generating just aren't AI generated, but we have the ability to modify each and every part of every single slide. So if you notice something and you're like, okay, we want to change the wording of this, we want to change how it looks or anything, we can change it. So say we wanted to change the title, Understanding MCP Servers, let's just simplify our title. We can say, boom, we just change this up. And maybe we want MCP to really stand out. We can change the type of the title. We can change the symbols or the position, and we can bring things forward and backwards. We can even add animations because, again, this is a PowerPoint presentation, and we can adjust the title, the font, so we can say, hey, let's really make this stand out, MCP servers. And there are so many options. On the right here, we can insert shapes, we can insert lines, charts, tables, and audio, logos, images, everything, and we can go through every single slide and make modifications. Again, everything is changeable. So we want to change the background here. Boom, this page is now red. We can click the left side and bring it out. And you can see here, we can say, hey, this image here, it looks good, but we can move it around. We can crop the image. We can say, hey, okay, let's make it into a circle cropping or whatever, a square. There's endless possibilities with our image here. So we can do that. And then we can say, boom. And if the background was not solid black, you'd be able to see the background of how it's cropped. So you can kind of get an idea of how powerful this tool is because we are able to make full-fledged PowerPoint slides with good content. and it does it in mere seconds. We can always click save. We can say, okay, we saved our template and it's going to go through. It's going to save it all for us. We can also click download. And if we click download, we have a lot of different options. So we can actually export this as a PPTX, which is a PowerPoint slide. We can export it as individual images. We have options between JPEG and PNG. And we can say, hey, do we want to just do only the current page? Or do we want to do a range of pages? Or do we want to do all of them? You can even say, hey, let's just go print this out as a PDF. So like I said, so many options, it makes making PDFs extremely quickly. Now, something I mentioned is this plus button here, and we can upload supported files. So if we hit the plus button, we can upload a PDF page up to 15 pages. It's going to take the PDF and convert it into a slide. So I actually have this PDF here. It is 4 pages, advantages and disadvantages of space exploration, and you can kind of see what we are working with here. So we're going to come back, we're going to go to my downloads, we're going to take this and we can drag it over, and we are now uploading our 4-page PDF about space exploration. I have done nothing. I just found this PDF truthfully online, and now I just dragged it over to this tool, and now we can hit generate PDF. If you notice it had like the preset topics, I could have hit try it again and it will just keep trying again until we find something that's good. But anyway, again, we can just kind of go through, we can say, okay, what kind of template do we want? So we're under the travel category this time because, I mean, why not? We're traveling through space apparently. So let's just pick this one. It looks pretty cool. We're gonna hit the plus, and just like before, our entire PowerPoint slide is going to be generated, but this time around, it is generated from all of this mumbo jumbo text here. All this text here is becoming a PowerPoint presentation that we can modify, edit, add transitions, and then just download, and we have full access to this, which is absolutely wild. We have our first slide here. We want to change this image. We can click it, and then we can hit upload and replace. We can upload this image here, and our main thing is already looking better. Say we said, hey, let's make just the homepage a little darker, just to make it look a little nicer. Boom, we have a first page for our slides. And as we go through, we can kind of keep doing this. We can keep adjusting, but you can see here, diverse opinions, public sentiment versus scientific perspective. It breaks down all the information for you based off the PDF that we just uploaded. Now, speaking of PDFs, Work PPT has a full dedicated section to just PDFs. So on the left side, we can click AI PDF, and you can see we can now merge PDFs or split them. We can do an image right to a PDF. We can add watermarks to PDFs, add a whole stamp, or take a PDF and convert it to an image. So any of these is extremely cool and powerful because now we can select any PDF we want, and we're going to pick the same one, and we can say, hey, let's split page 1 and 4, and we can hit split. It is going to take our PDF, and just like that, it downloads into our computer, and it just split it up into 2 different individual pages. So super quick and easy to use. There's also a whole section called AI Summarizer. So along the top, we can upload a file, we can upload a link. So it can be like a file link or a website address link, either or. We can upload text. So if we have text, we can just copy, paste it in and start chatting. I think this is really cool because now we can take a PDF. So like this one here, which is communication with aliens, we can download it, and now we can upload the file, or we can just say, hey, drag and drop, and it is now uploading the PDF, and then it's going to read the PDF and break it down into a summary that we can understand and go through. So we can see here on the left is our original PDF that we have, and on the right is a communication thing that we can talk to. So it looks very similar to what you'd have in other AI models, just instead it starts analyzing and breaking down the summaries extremely quickly and easy to understand. So you can see here, it says, hey, this is what your document is titled, it's exploring methods, and it's just kind of going into detail. We can actually click this button here, which says, hey, summarize 1 sentence to capture the main idea. So I don't want to read all of this, let's just do 1 quick sentence. Or say we want to summarize into 5 bullet points, we can do that. But it's, here you go, the document discusses the potential of communication with extraterrestrial intelligence through universal understood mathematical symbols. We can also say, hey, let's just do this in 5 bullet points. So like I said, I know other AI models can do this, but it is a lot more work on your perspective. I love these really quick, easy to use things. So like summarize into 5 bullet points, make a summary, so on and so forth. But you can see here the different bullet points that we have based off this PDF that we have just uploaded. They also have a chat system here that you can see, so we can just start talking with Work PPT, and on the right, we can decide which model we want to use. So we can say, hey, GPT 3.5, 4, or 5. So my prompt here is, hey, can you help me understand quadratics? We're not able to talk to a chat model about quadratics. They also have this button here, which says convert to voice, so it will actually play back as audio for you. I have used a lot of different AI tools. One of my favorite things about Work PPT is its pricing model. That sounds weird, but just bear with me. Let's go through it. So for starters, on the left, it says remaining time. So we can see exactly how many slides we can do left, how many different chats we can do, how many different PDFs we can work with, file uploads, so on and so forth. If we go to their pricing model, we can see just for free, you have access to some generation. So you can generate PowerPoint slides and you can generate different things, and there is usage per day. If you want to upgrade, you can do like weekly plan, a monthly plan, an unlimited yearly plan, but my absolute favorite is a lifetime plan, which is $140, which I think is very fair, considering you get unlimited AI PowerPoint presentations that you can just generate. So if you generate a lot of PowerPoint presentations for different reasons, whether it's for school, for work, or for whatever you're using it for, this is a phenomenal deal. I love the fact that you're not paying monthly for it, and it is just truly unlimited. And if you want to pay monthly, I think it's pretty reasonable. And I love, again, that they're very transparent on how much you're using. So there's none of this crazy token mathematics that you need to do to figure out exactly how much you have to pay. It is all here. It is very simple and easy to understand. So like I said, pricing is very fair. But again, it is absolutely wild that we can put in something like, hey, the history of Coca-Cola. We can select the number of cards. We can hit submit. It's going to come up with our topic ideas for us. And we can see here like the founding story, so on and so forth. We can hit try again if we don't like this. So it's just going to give us another list of subtitles or headings. And then when we like it, we can hit generate and we can pick our category. So is there like a food, oh look at this, a food category, of course. There's a category and different templates for basically everything. And we can kind of scroll through. Is there one that looks drinky that's Coca-Cola? So we're going to pick this theme here. And now in just mere seconds, we're about to generate a 20 to 30 page slide about the history of Coca-Cola, and it is super, super fast. So if we need to give a presentation now about this, I have it all ready to go. I can go through the entire presentation, modify the images, modify the text, download it as a PowerPoint presentation, and then just start using it. It is absolutely insane that we're able to do this, and it is extremely fast. As you can see, again, these demos are just wild to me. This is just live. I'm not speeding this up or anything. I'm just kind of talking through it, and you can see we are at slide 21. In just like less than a minute, we can generate 30 slides with high quality templates, high quality content that is going forward on each one. So let's actually go through this one a little bit because I'm just kind of curious. An exploration of fascinating history of the Coca-Cola brand. So you can see the inception, the rise of global beverage leadership, so on and so forth. So the inception, and we're kind of going through it. So the key components of the original recipe, and you can kind of see that they originally used the coca leaf extract, and we're kind of going through it, and the Coca-Cola formula has evolved over the years. Okay, that's kind of cool. And let's kind of keep going through it. We see the historical journey, and we're kind of continuing forward. If you guys know the history of Coke and any of this is wrong, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you think. But it's just wild to me. And I know the images don't match exactly. This is the theme I picked. Again, we can just kind of go through and modify these images. It's very easy, and we're basically building a high quality PowerPoint presentation with AI. Work PPT is a phenomenal tool, and I think what I really like about it is it's AI, but it's still like AI with the human touch. So you're using AI to help you create the template and add in all the text, but then you still have full control to modify whatever you need. And then you factor all that in with a very fair and very transparent pricing model, and you end up with a very good tool, one that I would recommend. I would love to know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Do you guys pay monthly for anything that does PowerPoint presentations currently? What is it? Is this something you would consider flipping to? Love to know your thoughts down below. If you guys enjoy AI content, as I mentioned earlier on in the video, consider subscribing. I cover AI on a daily basis, and don't forget to like the video. It just tells the algorithm, hey, I enjoy this type of content and I want to see more of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI video.
AI tools, AI news, AI prompts you can use. It's all for free, just come and see at FranklinAI.com where you're meant to be.